So prototyping, in this phase, we really get to use our creativity in a more physical way. So it's about drawing, it's about building, it's about making and creating your idea in a very basic way to make sure that you have something that you can communicate with other people about. So you can make your ideas visible, and with your team that you're working on, you might want to talk about these prototypes and even create each of you a different prototype in order to combine the best elements afterwards. And that is what prototyping is all about. So in these pictures, you see a couple of people working in labs and with different technologies. You might want to, if you have the possibility, of course, you can prototype like that, but you might also want to start very lo-fi, just drawing it. Especially if you're building, for example, a tech product or an application or a software, you might just want to start drawing it. And once you get a little bit more certainty through testing, then you might want to get to these more technical solutions to prototype. So start as lo-fi as possible, and it's really about feel fast, feel cheap. So if you need to throw away your drawing, well, that's a lot cheaper than throwing away your technology prototype, which you've worked on for maybe for a week and has a lot of components. So start as lo-fi as possible, and that way you can really melt it in with the next phase, which is about testing, and get to better results every time you make a new prototype. So this is going to be a cycle for a while to go back and forth between prototyping and testing.